contributors to a global human rights economy. We can create a culture of transparency and accountability to the laws and make governments more accountable to us as we are to them. A few months ago, a South African lawyer visited me in my office, and he said, I wanted to meet you. I wanted to see what a crazy person looked like. The laws are ours, and no matter what your ethnicity, nationality, gender, race, they belong to us. And fighting for justice is not an act of insanity. Businesses also need to get with the program. A corporate investment in human rights is a capital gain on your businesses. And whether you're a business, an NGO, a private citizen, rule of law benefits all of us. And by working together with a concerted mindset through the people, public, and private sector, we can create a global human rights economy and all become global investors in human rights.
Concerted. Concerted. Concerted.